couple vids. I don't even know why I said that. I am playing Stormworks, and yeah, I'm on the Black Pearl, Pirates of the Caribbean. It's, uh, the mod, I'll probably pop it up, but I don't know. But if you've ever watched Pirates of the Caribbean, you know, it's kind of simple how it says Pirates of the Caribbean, Pirates. So on a pirate ship, we have Tina Dalma. I won't play anything but Tina. All these people are in the movies. Tina, Master Gibbs, or Gibbs, and then we have Elizabeth Swan, or Elizabeth Turner. Turner, we're gonna say. We're trying to get out to deep water away from land. You know, we're pirates. I don't know. We're gonna go do piratey things. Still the waters. It's very slow. Hey, let me show you around. Why? Oh, that's kind of going that way. So we are going to have to turn it. Go. We're gonna turn the boat. 1 second. Yo, we're capsizing. Why do we capsize? No. Why are we capsizing? What the? Okay, we're gonna have to reset this 1 second. Y'all reset. 1 second, I gotta reset. Okay. I was not expecting that to happen, I'm sorry. Let me get these on. We're capsizing again. There's a tsunami. Okay, okay. This is not how I planned this episode to go. Let's retry. Okay. Okay, let me show y'all around the boat. So here is the stern. We are at the stern of the boat. This is the stern. This is Master Gibbs. That's Elizabeth Turner, we're gonna say. Captain's quarters. Right here. Very small. What else do we got? This is the port side of the boat, the left side. Yeah. Wait. Okay, yeah, that's port side. This is starboard side of the boat, the right side. This is the bow up here, front. This is Tina. Now if we go down here, we have like, this is kind of where all the rum and stuff would be stored. Then down here, this is just, I don't know, something in the boat. I think this goes to power, this goes all the way over here, because there's like a lot of little engines. How deep is water? The water seems pretty deep. Let's not lose my ship. I don't got too much longer. The wind kicks up, and the kind of sprinkling. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. I mean, not like this isn't normal, but you know. Why'd I have to say something? Like this is like the worst. I hope it doesn't get any worse. Oh man, I'm so dumb. That's okay, man. Actually, mainly women. Just, we're just gonna keep going straight. Hopefully, map says we aren't gonna hit something for it. Decent, but. Oh, I'm Jack Sparrow. Jack, Captain Jack Sparrow Jr. Oh, jeez. Um, and my father, and I, you know, my father had some stuff to pay to Davy Jones. Yeah, Davy Jones came back, and I have some stuff to pay to him too. We still got people. Y'all doing fine with our no sales? Okay, good. I don't know when, I hope, oh jeez. We're going to the port side. Port side, men. And women. What are you doing up there? Jeez. Port side, port side. That's probably the worst way. Just kidding. Sure, we're just gonna keep going like this. Why'd we slow down? Wait. Y'all, we totally slowed down. Oh my gosh. People of the Kraken, Davy Jones is here. Davy Jones is here. Reload. Davy Jones. Shoot it. Shoot. I can't. I don't even know where I am. Oh, this isn't doing as much damage as I thought. What happened? Where, where'd he go? Maybe he just came to like. That's a warning. That's a warning. It's right there. Okay, guys. Uh, I'm back. It's windy again. Oh, there's a light. Oh, I guess that makes sense. It's yeah, it's windy again. We're gonna try some things with this ship. We're gonna see what the oh shoot, see what the ship can stand up to. Uh, wind is now 100%. Oh, okay, yeah, we cannot fall off my. Honestly, I think it is actually moving kind of fast. Wait a minute. Should this be concerning me? Uh, uh that this thing goes up and down. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Anyways, let's try some stuff. I don't know what stuff. Let's let's just go down here and think. We ain't gonna hit any land, right? No. Actually, we're gonna turn. We're gonna turn my ship. I mean, we ain't gonna hit. No. Actually, you know what? No, we're fine. Let's go into my captain's cabin. Just a normal day on the ocean. What's that? Okay, I can hear a faint alarm going off. What is that? There's an alarm. Tornado? Water tornado? I don't know, I cannot see anything, so these are, the waves are getting pretty big. We don't have a crew today. Yo, we're on fire. We were just on fire. Wait, yeah, let's go to the camp, the photo mode. Oh, Uh, yeah, that's fine, right? What is this? What is the noise for? I I think it's a tsunami. Are we tipping? Let's not tip. So it's definitely a tsunami. I just don't know where it's coming from though. Well, I mean, if we look, hey, let's go look in the cabin again. Go ahead and turn the lights on. Shoot, I can't get out. Oh, that's not good. I guess it's fine. I mean, it's a pirate ship. It's made of wood. Let's go in here and check. Let's see. Yeah, there's a tsunami. I'll probably just like get up to y'all, find y'all when I find the tsunami. Okay, I found it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Oh, we're totally tipping. I did not mean to hit. Oh. Oh, look how much damage is on the bottom. What did we hit? Oh. For flipping, we actually, what is that? For flipping, we actually hit it really nicely. Yeah, those aren't supposed to be damaged. Okay. Wait. My engines. Oh, my engines aren't on. Wait a minute. Okay, they're on. Not to worry, I'm still drive there. It's not going anywhere. So something did break. Somehow. Hold it down. Engines are on. We ain't going anywhere though. Okay, this ship is broken. Let's go ahead. I don't know. Let's go ahead and respawn the ship. Yeah. Take this back to the workbench. Hey, I found the tsunami. Ah, shoot. Oh no. Okay, I kind of need to drown. Okay. How much is broken? Nothing's broken. I mean, it looks fine. Okay, I'm gonna get my crew. And, so yeah. We're just gonna go ahead and die. Whee! Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go get my crew. So, we just set sail, and I was looking, maybe what I was gonna do next, but there's a tornado somewhere. And I don't know where. I, you know what, never mind, I don't think the tornado's around here. No, okay, I think we're fine. Oh yeah, this don't look creepy. I see land, but we ain't going for the land. Yo! Yo, nope, 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 nope. Oh, we're screwed. We're screwed. Hold on! Hold on! Oh, she's still there. Starboard! Everyone to starboard side! Just kidding, port side! Everybody to starboard. We're going fast. Oh my gosh. Oh, I shouldn't have got up. Okay, we still have Elizabeth. Master Gibbs, we still got you. We still got Gibbs. We got 12 of our crew. I don't even know. Ah! Why'd I get out? Why'd I get up? Where are we? Oh, no, I don't want to die. Wait a minute, I don't want to die. Oh, jeez, everyone's totally dead. The ship, she's going down. Oh my gosh. Go. Oh my gosh. The ship, she's going down. Long after I'm a day. Okay. Player damage. Where's my pearl? Okay. This is not what I expected. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change it up to complete day. Fog. No fog. Oh, this is the jeez! How deep are you? Okay, this is deep. I just have to get up there. Get to the helm. It's literally, okay. It's receding. Land, land, land. Oh, this is the bottom. Look. It receded. Oh, shoot. No, no, don't flip over. Well, yeah, no one's alive after that. I mean, yeah. Okay. Oh, well, let's go ahead and take this back to port. Yeah. We need to put all those down. Hey, we need to get our crew back. Hi, crew. Y'all just experienced. Ooh. You took some damage. Okay, Tina, you're going back to where you were. Gibbs, you're also going back to where you were. And Elizabeth, you are going up here too. Set sail again. Wait, is that? Oh, okay. Uh oh, that's not. We already collided. Cannons. There we go. I did show y'all. Okay, look down here. See where those little hatches are? And then you see, you go down here, cannons, cannon. I think I did show you this. I mean, this for me, this is the next day. So I don't remember what I showed y'all. You press the cannons. Yeah, these cannons go up, but it opens. Side opens. And then boom, it's open. Yeah. Okay. What's gonna happen next? I don't know. Figure that out. I am very surprised. We actually have a nice, calm day here on the pirate ship. Oi! Oi! Man, I don't know if, okay, so there was just a Megalodon, I don't know if y'all saw that. Like, none of them paused the video, but, yeah, there's just a Megalodon. Yep, he's right there, he's back. I was like, no way he, like, left it that fast. Tina, watch out, there's a Meg. Davy Jones does control the sea. Davy Jones is the sea. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Big hit, big hit, big hit, big hit, big hit. Oh, that damaged. What did that damage? Hold on! Oh, shoot. Master Gibbs! Ah, go. We have to escape. I ain't escaping. Where's everyone? Where'd everyone go? Oh no, that's me. There's Gibbs. Where's everyone else? Wow. The Pearl. She died. Wait a minute. Elizabeth Gibbs. Tina Litchfield. I'm pretty sure that's Tina. Did she just die? Yep, Tina died. Come on, we have to swim back. We have to head back. Come on, let's go. Okay, well, they're that. The damage on the ship. What's damage under here? Yeah, everything. And there's a boat right here. We could have pirated the boat. If we come rob the boat. Hold up, I have an idea. Now, I'm gonna do that. No. Okay, let's go ahead and clean this up. Uh, we have one more thing that we have to do. Whee! There's the ship. Don't worry, I'm fine. That one last thing is test. Okay, chill. Oh, I messed that up. Don't tell me I'll jump off. Okay, yeah. Y'all need to get reset. Come on. You come. You jump. Jump. Don't. Elizabeth, you're the only one that did not overshoot it. I don't even know. I don't know. I have to carry all up the ladder. Let's go. I actually don't know what this is like. I'm scared. Like the other ones I knew what the megalodon was like. I knew what the kraken was like. I knew what a whirlpool was like. Tsunami, everything. But this one comes with the ship. You'll just have to wait and see. This is what y'all have been waiting for. Let's get going. What the flip is that? There's just a shoot. Let's go. Let's go. Everyone in, everyone in. This is actually an emergency. Get in there. Oh, Gina. Gibbs, let's go. Gibbs, let's go. Gibbs, get in here. Oh, man. This is not, no. Oh. Actually, we got super lucky. It deceded right before, like, while we were on it. Oh, we have to head back to 23 kilometers. Okay, y'all, everything's fine. It literally deceded right as we got there. Come on, y'all. Master Gibbs, you just go right there. Um, okay, Tina, where are you gonna go? I think you should go. Yeah, you can go back. We're just gonna go back to our original spot. Besides Elizabeth, she's gonna go be at the mast. At the mast, and I'm going back to the bow of the ship. Pretty sure I said all those correctly. Like, the right places. Okay, well, this should be good. Looks pretty deep. Okay, what's happening? I sync button. Nothing seems to be happening. Maybe we just have to wait for it to kick in. Alright, see. Or if we turn that off. I literally don't know what's happening. Anything down here? Why is it okay? We're gonna turn the. What is that? Wait. What are those? Is that how we're gonna sink? What is that? Okay, see that's open. Okay, no way that's how we're gonna sink. Hold up. Player damage off. This is how it sinks. It floods. This is what it looks down here. Oh. We aren't. What is that? There's a big blade right there. Okay, well the sinks is really slow. So what I'm gonna feel when it's happening. Like, really happening. Update, this is actually filling with water-ish. Not really though, this kinda sucks. What's just the most we can spawn in? Maybe a meteor, tornado, megalodon, kraken. Maybe a tsunami. But for safety. For safety. Uh, what is happening? Where'd my boat go? It's gone. It is literally gone. It is not appearing. What did y'all do to my boat? Oh shoot, I totally forgot we have one more thing to do. Sorry for it. Okay, well my boat's gone. Like literally. I don't know where it went. We have one more thing to do. One last. We have to go to the add-on editor. Yeah. Okay. Edit objects. Add a vehicle. Fly. Oops. Flying. Cause it's way. Cause it. Oh. Cause it's too big to literally spawn in. What if we just do Dutch? Ditch. There's the tornado. The Flying Dutchman. Let's explore it, see what it has. Can, wait, does it? Wait. Okay, so those are the. Oh my gosh, it has the triple cannons. It has the. Kind of broken. I don't know why. What's down here? I'm guessing. You can. It's the literal Flying Dutchman. That is. This is where you'd go to make the Kraken spawn. Spawn. Like, make a big noise. You guys should watch Pirates of the Caribbean. It's definitely PG-13. Oh. This is Yo, the organ. Okay, this is fire. Wow. Congrats to whoever made this. Like you did an amazing job. Okay, let's drive this thing. What is this? Lights? Yeah. Probably doesn't do everything. Helm. 3. Open hatch. What is down there? Uh oh. Okay, this is weird. Something's wrong with the boat. Oh shoot. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, back it up, back it up, back it up. Back. There we go. Back it up. Uh oh. How well does this handle? I wonder how well it would handle the Kraken. Uh oh. Oh, shoot. Uh, what is this? It's actually not that bad. Wait, let's go look at down here. Where's... You can go... Jeez, it's deep. Okay, so... Like, jets? Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed this. We got one more thing. And, I mean, we kind of docked. Oh, so this is where, they come... What did that say up there? That said something. I saw something. Oh, what is that? You've got to be kidding. Oh, it's just... Did that also... I'm flying so... Oh, jeez. I can't see because I'm under the water. Yep. Exactly what I thought was gonna happen. Wait a minute. That's the wrong island. What is this? Wait, is this the Dutchman? That's just a... Oh. Sorry, not sorry? Wait a minute. Hold up, hold up. I had this... Oh no. These poor people. Hope, leave a like, subscribe. That was, oh jeez. I did not expect that to happen. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Uh, jeez. Sorry for it being so long. Sorry I haven't uploaded. Long time. Okay, where was I? That's really quickly. What is that? I don't know what that is. Um, so I was like literally right here. What is? I don't know what that is. All foods out. Peace.